How to sell faster on Facebook Marketplace. Welcome to our video on how to sell faster on Facebook Marketplace, where I'll share some effective strategies and tips to help you move your items quickly and efficiently. Whether you're selling furniture, electronics, or clothing, these insights can give you an edge in the marketplace. First, let's talk about the importance of a good photo. A clear, well-lit image that accurately represents your item can catch the eye of potential buyers. Use natural light and multiple angles to give shoppers a comprehensive view. This can make a significant difference in how quickly your item gets noticed and sold. Next, writing a compelling and honest description is crucial. Include all relevant details like brand, model, size, condition, and any unique features. Be transparent about any wear or damage, as honesty builds trust and sets clear expectations. Buyers appreciate knowing exactly what they're getting. Before we continue, if you're finding these tips useful, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments from which city you're watching. It helps us reach more people and build a stronger community around these tutorials. Pricing your items competitively also plays a vital role in selling quickly. Do some research to see what similar items are going for in your area. Price slightly lower if you want to attract more buyers and spark faster sales. Remember, buyers often negotiate, so setting a fair price from the start can prevent drawn-out haggling. Responding quickly to inquiries is another key factor. Check your messages regularly and be prompt in your replies. A fast response shows you're active and interested in making a sale, increasing the chances of closing the deal swiftly. Using Facebook's built-in tools can help boost visibility. Join local buy and sell groups to reach a wider audience. Take advantage of the Renew feature to refresh your listing, which can bring it back to the top of the marketplace feed, increasing visibility. Timing your posts can also impact your success. Posting during high traffic times like weekends or evenings can increase exposure and result in quicker sales. Monitor when your posts receive the most engagement and adjust accordingly. Consider providing options for delivery or meetups in safe, public locations, which can make the buying process easier and more appealing to potential customers. Finally, make sure to gather and respond to customer feedback. Positive reviews can enhance your reputation on Facebook Marketplace and encourage future sales. Encourage satisfied buyers to leave comments about their experience. As a summary, remember that great photos, detailed descriptions, competitive pricing, quick responses, and effective use of Facebook's tools are all critical to selling quickly on Facebook Marketplace. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Thank you for watching and happy selling.